Hello, and today we're back with Ragdoll Manhunt. And today we have two people. We have Alex and Anthony. Everybody say hi.
Hi.
Hello. Welcome to episode 2.
Yeah, so today we're gonna, since there's two of us, we're still gonna do touch, but you guys have to actually count to 15, okay?
Fine.
Yeah.
Because this man counts like
Alright.
this, 115. Okay, so you have to
Oh.
count to 15.
I'm already
Okay.
good. Okay, alright.
And 3, 2, 1. You guys count. Count.
Oh, I broke. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
2,
6, 7,
3,
8, 9, 10, 11,
4.
12,
You
13,
count too
5,
fast.
7. We're speeding up.
You count so fast.
Bro, you sped up.
Oh, he's at the stairs.
Alright,
He's at the
I'm
stairs.
waiting at the bottom.
Never mind, he's not at the stairs.
He's at the stairs. He's at the stairs. Oh wait, never
I
mind.
see
He's
him
not at the
bouncing
stairs.
up. Where to go?
Where is he? Where is he?
Don't forget playing on Ragdoll, guys.
Ah.
Where'd he go?
Wait, Caleb, I see you. Wait,
Uh
never mind,
oh.
Where are you? That's not Caleb. You're at the top of the tower or something?
Probably. I probably am. I probably.
Did you just fall?
He's not there.
Are you in? Are you in?
He might have went out of the cannon.
Oh, he's
Someone
at the
bombed
spiral
me
tower.
midair.
He's at the Spiral tower. Spiral tower. Wait, no, he's not. Caleb, you're falling the wrong pieces. Okay, can you? Wait, are you in green screen?
Probably.
Bro, actually tell us.
No.
We don't have a tracking device just like Dream.
You guys have to. You guys have to find me.
Beyond. No. And then if we're not, you're just.
Fine. I'm in the tower of HE double hockey 6.
Hell.
No. Yes. Probably. Yes. I think. I don't know. I'm not. I don't.
Are you coming
He's
down?
hiding at he's hiding in it. He doesn't go down. He's done this with me last time.
I
He's
think
hiding
I
on one
think
of
I
the
see
bars.
Anthony. I think I see Anthony. Oh no. Oh no. Stop it.
Oh, Caleb, no, you gotta fall down there.
No. I'm hiding.
I see where you are. I can just easily parkour.
I'm climbing. Ah! No. Stop.
Caleb, as you know, I am a parkour master. So this would
I
be
know
like,
he's in there.
yeah, he is. He's all the way.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh
Caleb,
no.
Okay, love.
Fall down the tower fell while I come up to him.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
Caleb.
I'm stuck. I have nowhere to go. What do I do?
Okay, Alex, are you coming down the tower fell?
Yeah.
Alright, good. This is gonna be like the second fastest thing ever.
I'm scared. I am scared.
In the second okay, so the first episode, we did Omar and me, right? And
No,
I
the
got
first
hit.
episode was me and Alex.
And then the second episode, was me and Omar, right? And I got
No, the second episode is right now.
You better get Egg to cut that out.
Egg is
Not
lazy
gonna
to edit. Egg is lazy to edit.
I don't like blocking.
I wish I could edit. Damn it.
Fine, you can edit
Can't
this one.
download
You can edit this one. You can edit this one.
Caleb.
Yeah, but I can't download the recording, remember? Unless
Um.
you send it through camera.
You might need to jump down, mate. You might need to jump down, mate. No.
He's running!
Oh God. Oh no. What do I do? What do I do? Get up.
Get up.
He's on the run.
What do I do? No! I don't know what to do.
No, I accidentally pressed out.
Oh, I didn't touch you, Alex. And Caleb.
You didn't. It's off of my screen.
It's me that's recording. I gotta check that.
Ah!
He fell off immediately.
I know, I see him. I'm following him. I'm
Oh,
bouncing up. Come on.
and also new rule: you can use physics. Oh!
No. Physics balloon is cheat.
Oh my god! 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 What do I do? What do I do?
Are you going into the tower?
He jumped over it. He jumped over the tower. He's heading to the bottom.
Is he?
I think, yeah, he's falling off it. But he's not heading in the middle. Don't head to the middle. He's falling off.
Caleb, you dropped to like a fly man. Actually, wait. Alex, where is he?
I don't know.
No physics. Wait, actually, let me take physics balloon just to see. Ah,
Don't take physics balloon, please.
I
Oh
think
no,
he's at the spiral tower.
I'm not. I'm definitely not.
I'm in physics. Oh. Bro, I hate these people in physics.
Someone pushed you off. Thank God.
How did you see? Oh, let me guess.
No, you just said it.
You were in physics balloon?
No.
Bro, I only went on it just to see who you are.
I said I'm not on physics balloon.
He's not on physics balloon.
I think I see Alex.
I know where he is. He's behind the spiral tower.
No. Alex, please tell me you didn't see me.
Oh, I saw you.
Oh no. Oh,
T.
the game's laggy.
I lost him.
The game's so laggy.
Oh, let me guess. Top of the tower. He took the cannon, I think. Well, actually, let me go
Did
down.
he?
Huh?
No, he wouldn't. He would shoot it straight up if he took the cannon. He.
What? He what?
I thought he was on the side of the tower.
Caleb, where are you?
I don't know.
Caleb, no. We don't have a tracking device just like in the
You have to find me.
That's
Okay, this is not content. This is not content.
It isn't. It's just hide and seek.
This is not content. I'm just
Yeah,
staying in the
Just
same
tell
spot.
who you are.
I'm just staying in the same spot. Hopefully I make a good move here.
Oh, wait. I don't see him. Where is he? Is he at the spiral tower? No, where you are.
This is not a bad idea. I don't think it is.
Where
Oh,
is
no.
he?
Oh no, what do I do? What do I do? Oh, he ragdolled! I got a chance! I got a chance!
No.
I got a chance!
By the way,
I
guys,
ragdolled.
He's over there now. Anthony, are you getting bullied by people? Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Get up, get up, get up, get up!
Wait, where do we go?
Get up, get up, get up. Omar? Oh, what? Okay.
Where is he?
Okay, Anthony's just making out with someone.
Bro, he pushed me.
Stop! I guess Omar's part of this too. I forgot to resume this. Yeah, never mind.
No, now we have to, this is gonna be like so weird now, this episode.
What do you mean?
I'll just cut him out, like he's not even there right now.
Yeah, what do you mean?
I'm
I
touching
don't know what you're trying to say, Alex.
Ragdoll.
Come on, we can get
How are you guys stiff? Get out of the way!
Why is everyone trying to get him?
Oh, why is everybody trying to get me? What did I do to you,
There's
like?
just random people. This is so weird.
And Anthony, and this girl that keeps on chasing Anthony's. Ah! No! Ow!
No!
Oh, was the
You did
timer.
pretty good though. You did pretty good.
Again, I survived 10 minutes. I suck at this.
It's fine. Well, that was episode 2.
That's
This
episode
girl has
2.
to go. This girl has to go.
What? Hey, hey.
Yeah.
This girl has to go.
Can you end the recording now?
Okay, well, we have to say bye.
Bye.
Uh,
Bye, 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 bye.
Now, everybody look at each other and say Frank, and then say bye. Okay? Omar, get in here! No, you have to look at each other. Look at each other, and we all have to look at it. Okay, guess we're not doing it with Anthony then. Everybody come over here. Everybody, we have to look at each other like this and see. We have to say Frank all together, okay? 3, 2, 1. Frank.
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 Okay, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.